Dear students, welcome to Sia's digital classes. Today's concept is cost of living index numbers. So let us discuss the formulas, whatever required for this method, and under cost of living index we have two different methods. Let us discuss that now. So here they have given some question for us. Calculate cost of living index from the following data. So they will give us cost of living index. So whenever they'll ask like that, two methods we have to do under that. So this is a given data we have. So cost of living index numbers, we have two methods I said, right? So first method is calculation of cost of living index by aggregate expenditure method. So first method we have aggregate expenditure method. So let us check formulas based on that method. So here is a formula for that. Aggregate expenditure formula is cost of living index number is equal to summation P1 Q naught by summation P naught Q naught into 100. So we need to find out these two values so that we can find out the method. So this is your aggregate method. One more method we have, family budget method. So two methods will get under cost of living index number. CLIN also will call living index number, right? So cost of living will call, so CLIN. Okay, so family budget method we have. So cost of living index number formula here we have as summation IW by summation W. This how to identify and all, let us discuss in the table. So here are the given data, articles, some articles have given, and a price in base year, price in current year, quantity in base year they have given. Now every time they will not mention P0, Q0, P1, Q1 directly. By ourselves we need to identify based on the question. So here price in base year they have given, right? So price in base, base is the word, is a clue for us, and the price they have said. So what's the notation we'll get? That is P0, P0, because it's a price for base year. Similarly, price in current year, price they have given, that is P. Current year they said means 1 is the notation, P1. Next, quantity in base year. So quantity means Q, base year, base is a clue, that is Q0. So given data P0, P1, Q0 we have in our hand. So using that, let us go for obtaining our table, then we'll go for the calculating the formula. So what's the formula we have? Summation P1 Q naught summation P0 Q naught. So these two values we need to find it out. So I have considered all the values again, whatever they have given in the question. So now let us go for obtaining the two columns, that is P1 P0 column first. So simply take P1 value and the Q0 value, multiply, get the answers. So P1 I have 8 here. So 8 into Q0 I have 50. So 8 into 50, that is 400 I have obtained. So like that, go for all other values of P1 into Q0, then add one to another so that we can get a summation P1 Q0 value. So here I have got some value as 1420. So like that, let us obtain next last column, one more column, that is P0 Q0 column. So what is P0 value? First value of P0 I have 6 here. 6 into, and the Q0 value 50 I have. So 6 into 50 I have obtained as 300. So like that, obtain all other values of P0 into Q0, then add all the values so that we can get summation P0 Q0. So I have done here, I have added all the values, I have got as 1100. So I have obtained both the values. Now let us go for obtaining our CLIN for aggregate expenditure method. So here is the formula I have. I have substituted P1 Q0. So that is your first column answer, 1420 divided by second value, that is P0 Q0. Here I have 1100. So I have substituted into 100 I have done. I have got the answer as 129.09. So this is how aggregate expenditure method will be obtaining. So first method we have done for CLIN. Now let us go for obtaining the second method. Second method is quite different. We have to find out IW like that. So again I made a new table separately. Again I have considered the given question, whatever we have. Articles I have given, base year price and current year price have given, quantity they have given. all the values I have taken again because we need to find out I and W. So I have taken a new table. Now how to identify I? I have a formula. I is equal to I. To obtain I, you have a formula that is P1 by P0 into 100. That I am considering as some P. So P is equal to P1 by P0 into 100. So that value will call as price relative. So how to do? Now take P1 value. P1 is 8. 8 divided by P0 is 6. 8 divided by 6 into 100. We got some value as 133.33. Like that I have done the first value of I. Similarly, go for the next values. Every value of P1 divided with P0 into 100 will get some I values. Okay. So no need of adding up here because summation I don't require. So don't go for adding that column. Now let us go for obtaining W value. So W formula is W is equal to P0 Q0. Means the P0 value we have to multiply with the Q0 value. So P0 value what I have? 6 I have here. P0 is 6 into Q0 I have 50. So 6 into 50 that is 300. So like that, go for all other values. Now summation W I require. Let's check it out. I have formula for summation W. So add up all the values of this column. So I have got summation W is equal to 1100. So like that we have done with W. Now let us go for I into W. So price relatives into the wages IW. So nothing but I value just now we have obtained, right, 133.33 into W value I have got as 300 here. So multiply it, get the answer for that. So like that, go for I into W values and identify all others in the similar pattern. Then add up one to another and get summation IW value. So I have obtained here summation IW. Now let us go for substituting in the formula so that we can get family budget method. So CLIN for family budget method, summation IW by summation W, substitute it and get the answer as 129.09. Most of the time both the methods will get the similar answers. So here also same answers we got. So whenever they will ask the cost of living index number or CLIN will call in short form, both the methods you have to find it out. Directly if they mention family budget method or expenditure, go for it. Otherwise CLIN if they are asking both the methods you have to find it out. So this is how we'll obtain the cost of living index numbers to the given data. Hope you have understood both the methods. See you all in the next session. Thank you.